Hi guys, I'm so excited this morning. I've got some junk journal kits up on my Etsy shop, and this is awesome. These are like mystery kits, so you're not going to know what's in here, but they are packed full. There's 50 plus pieces, and they're actually probably a lot more than 50 pieces because at 50 I just go, oh, and I just throw in a few more things. So head over to my Etsy shop, grab a junk journal kit. It's everything you need to get started. There's even a composition notebook in here. There's stickers and doodads, whatnot, ephemera, beautiful pages to play with. All you're going to need is a glue stick. So head over to my Etsy shop, pick one. I'm paying for shipping this time. You're not, so that's a plus. And don't worry, these are made to order. So if I get an order, I'll just make more. So let me know what you need and check it out. And let me know how you like these. Again, they're a junk journal mystery starter kit. So I hope you guys enjoy these. I'm having a lot of fun making them. And I look forward to hearing what you guys think. So grab one. Come and play with me on our next Fatty Patty. You'll have everything that you need. All right. Thanks for supporting my shop, you guys. I really appreciate it. And I'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye now.